Hello. Welcome to Project Beauty, where we talk about everything project panning and beauty related. I am Jen. I really appreciate you being here. I'm going to be doing a look. That's why you are so close to me today. We are going to be doing the Sweet Pinks by Juvia's Place. Ba, 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 ba. Cannot wait to get into this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's so good. Oh my god. It's so good. I haven't even swatched it. This is the face of happiness. We're going to get right into it. I'm going to be trying to use just what's in the palette today. Of course, after I'm done this, I'm going to be adding a little bit of a brow bone highlight, etc. So let's go ahead and find a brush that isn't dirty. Okay, we're going to go ahead and use the Morphe PK36 Pink. Why not? Because hello. Pink palette. All right, I'm going to start with where are the names? There's no names. Oh my god, I forgot. There's no names. All right, we're going to go ahead and use this one right here, which is more of a muted sort of peachy pink. This one's more of a vibrant pink, so I'm going to use that one after. This is the one I kind of want to put down in my crease as a base. So I'm going to go ahead and take this pink blending brush and I'm just going to throw that in my crease. I want to be vibrant and very pink and fun today. I have to go get groceries. I don't go actually into the stores. I basically just order online, then go pick it up at curbside. And I kind of love that. It's been really good. They've given us a lot of really good stuff. And I wanted to have some really fun makeup today. I've been trying to use my makeup consistently lately, especially because it is 2021. And I have a 21 in 2021 project pan going, and I am going to have quite a few projects going as well. So for those of you who don't know what project panning is, you basically either follow a theme or just select products that you want to use up and you stay consistent with those until they are actually done. Also, if you don't like the products, you can declutter, which is what I do. If I find that I'm really not interested in something, I end up getting rid of it. And it's not to say that I'm going to buy more to replace it, because I have enough. I have lots of stuff. But it definitely helps keep me accountable to what I have. Am I using the stuff I have, so I don't buy more crap that I don't actually like because I haven't tried everything or used everything. So it is very helpful. And this color is glorious. It's so pretty. I just wanted to bring this up really, really high, but I want to keep it really blended and kind of soft. This is blending like a dream. Wow. It's very, very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other eye. So back to project panning. Yeah, if you guys are not sure, I highly recommend you check out other pages. You can check out my page. I always want to support other people as well. So I always say, like, check out other pages as well. There are so many project panners out there in the community, and everyone is so nice and everyone tries really, really hard to get their stuff done. They're very inspiring. They're really good people. You get to see their collections being used, and it's pretty interesting. Like, I don't have a lot of use on my stuff, and I had stopped YouTube for a few years, so if you see a break in my posts and my videos, that is why. I went on a no-buy, and I knew if I was doing YouTube, I was not going to be successful. I had a kid in that time. I was just doing other things. So I came back to YouTube during COVID, when COVID hit, because I started selling makeup and I wanted to post it on YouTube, and I wanted to get back to using the stuff that I had. And after my no-buy of like 3 years, I wanted to start investing again into things. So I definitely am loving investing in the Juvia's Place items. I'm really enjoying them. I've tried a couple of the palettes. I bought, I think, 6 of the minis at once. And they're super affordable. Black-owned brand, super affordable brand, really high pigmentation, long wearing. Really, really enjoy. So highly recommend. I will link the website below if you're interested. Check them out on Instagram as well, and check their tag too, because you can see a ton of looks from people as well, in case maybe this is not your thing, watching YouTube tutorials all the time. I'm going to go ahead now and go in with this more vibrant mid-tone pink. Same brush. I'm just going to try and keep this really fluid and simple, but I just want to stack the color. So I'm taking this heavy into my crease and bringing it out a little bit, because my eyes are very close set, so I want to extend the length of my eye to make it look a lot more symmetrical on my face. So I'm just kind of digging that right into the socket area, right into the crease. And I'm just pressing and going back and forth, side to side with the, oh my gosh. This is so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice. Like, oh my gosh, this is the kind of stuff I have been waiting for. I wish Juvia's Place would come out with like a red cherry, like a blue toned red cherry palette. Because I would just, oh my gosh, I need it. I need it. I don't want like the ones that have like a bajillion different colors in them. Although, like, don't get me wrong, I'll probably invest down the road. I'm on a low buy right now in 2021. But Black Friday is probably when I'm going to invest a little bit more money. I'm going to try and be really, really good for most of the year and save up for that time because there's such good sales around that time. And there's very few limited things that I would actually allow myself to buy, sort of like gimme items kind of thing. But I'm going to try really hard not to even worry about that either. So I'm liking where this is at right now. It's really soft and subtle and beautiful. So I think I'm not even going to add this bright pink shade right now. I'll probably do that on the lower lash line. But right now I want to add the darker shade, which is right here on the outer corner portion. So let's grab... My child is screaming downstairs. I'm just taking off what I can from this other brush because it just has a hint of like the same kind of color. This is the Sigma Blending E25 brush. These shed like a mofo. I haven't bought Sigma in years, but just these always shed on me. But whatevs, we'll use this one. So if you see like little white hairs floating all over, I'm not shedding white hairs. Okay, that's the bristle, the brush bristle. My eye is tearing as well, so I'm going to try to stop it from doing that. So I'm basically just adding a little bit in the outer corner, just pressing it in. These apply so nicely and so effortlessly. I'm barely trying. Like, I'm working so fast, I'm barely trying. Like, I'm going to be doing a 10-minute eye look, and which normally takes me like half an hour to do my eyes. So, and I'm just going to really push that into the outer to mid area of my socket just to get it a little more depth. So I don't really have a deep color for the outer portion of the eyes. I don't have anything to deepen it up or anything, and I'm trying to use just what is in here. So what I'm going to do is take this, I think I want this one, or do I want this one, or this one? Let's swatch them. They kind of look very similar. So this one is the one that's a little more warm, and this one's a little more blue tone and cool toned. I think I might go with the blue toned. My always instinct is to go warm. I always want to have warm eyeshadow colors on my eyes, so I'm going to do the opposite, and I'm going to go in with the cool tone. I'm going to take my Too Faced glitter glue because it does look like there are either glitters or foils. I'm not sure what they are in here. I haven't done any research on this palette. So if you're not for any of the glitter-based products, and just double check the website to see if this is just foiled or if it's glitter. I think it's foiled personally, but don't go by what I say because like I said, I haven't checked. I'm just really pressing that. I don't want to drag it because I'm getting loose skin on my eyelids as I age, and I don't want to like drag my skin across and create bumps and lines and stuff and like just make it look gross. So we're gonna go ahead in the blue toned pink shade and press that all over the lid. Again, I'm just using like the same brushes I just used. I probably should use a shader brush for this because it'll be a little more densely packed. I will get some fallout from this, but so far I've done pretty good with the fallout, I'd say, and anything that is falling is just kind of falling right off my face. And as I go in that crease, I'm just going to bring it across. I'm really liking that a lot. It's very pretty. My allergies are acting up. I apologize. That happens up every time I do a YouTube video. So I apologize, but I'm just going to press this down. I want to get a little higher into my crease. And then press it everywhere I want that eyeshadow. Okay. And again, we're going to go in with the shorter blending brush with the blue tone pink. I could have used both, honestly. I could have used the blue tone in the center and the more warm one in the inner corner, but I just wanted to go all over the lid one color. This is so beautiful. This is like Barbie on crack. I love it. This is so pretty. Holy crap. All right, I want to do under the eye now. I apologize for my sniffling. I didn't realize how bad my allergies were acting up actually until I started doing this. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is the deepest shade in the palette. And I'm just going to take that underneath my tearing eye. There's some major yelling going on downstairs. Yikes. Okay. So I really like how that looks. That is super, super pretty. I'm just going to take a little short, this looks dirty, but it's not. It's just a pencil brush. I'm going to take that with the vibrant color now, this one right here. And I'm going to blend out underneath the other color. I can't believe how fast this is going. Wow. And again, it blends out so seamlessly. Like, I'm barely touching my lid. The pigmentation is there. Like, you can see that I have quite a bit of like bags under my eyes and stuff. I am aging. That's quite all right. I'm totally happy to age. I'm going to go ahead and take the same shade again and put it in the inner corner on the lower part of the eye. It just brightens up the inner portion. That is so gorgeous, you guys. I love this so much. All right, so I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm just wiping off my pencil brush, and then I'm gonna blend a little bit more just underneath the eye, just so it's a little blended. And I can see that tearing starting. Please disregard that little area. Now we're going to do mascara. I have already curled my eyelashes before this. I'm not going to do lashes on screen because I don't edit my videos. You guys know this if you've seen anything on my channel lately. I will try to do editing as 2021 goes on if I can, but it won't be as often as I like. This is just so pretty. I'm loving this. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. This was a 100-point perk from Sephora, so free. Loving. I really do like the free mascaras. I think that's a really great thing that they do, is doing free mascaras, because I don't want to pay $36 for a mascara. I'll just go to the drugstore. So if we're going to buy all your other products, give us free mascara, right? Okay, I have to hurry up because there is some crazy lack of patience happening downstairs and everyone's screaming and there's only 2 of them. So I gotta hurry up. My kid's gonna be in a timeout right away. All right, there's that. And then I'm just gonna do the bottom. So this mascara is really running out. This is the Definicils. I don't even know how to say that. It's from, I think, Lancome. It's super old. I just keep putting other mascaras on the brush and then putting it back into the container. But it's getting old and I really shouldn't be putting this on my eyelashes anymore. But I love this. Like the wand, I love it. Also, I don't know what happened, but I lost some eyelashes here. I think you can tell, like, they're really stubby. They broke off and I don't know why. So disregard that. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So much. Really cute, and it was very inexpensive, and you get such beautiful shades. This is going to be great for spring. I really would like to personally deepen up the outer portion just to give my eyes a little bit more dimension, but I am loving this so much. I think it's so much fun and I highly recommend it, especially because you're supporting a Black owned brand, a smaller business, and also it's inexpensive. It's not going to break the bank. So anyways, I will talk to you guys again very soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please do like this video and subscribe. It's completely free, and I will talk to you guys again later. Bye.